Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. Well, today's project is this GBD Prestige. Overall, it's okay in condition, but it does have some damage on the stubble that we're going to have to try to repair. So let's turn around to the workbench and take a look. All right, let's take a closer look. It says Prestige right there, the GBD. And it's got the metal, I think they call it rondelle. That may be pronounced wrong, but it's the metal one. Now, as far as the condition, the overall condition is not bad until we get to this area of the rim. And it sort of looks like a mouse decided to chew on it. So, in my book, restore is putting something back to new. And we're going to have to remove quite a bit of material, so it's going to be different from when it was new. But anyway, that's what we got. We've got some charring right here that we'll take care of at the same time we're working on all this. So that's what we got. So let's get started. Well, I've decided to be a little lazy instead of a bunch of hand sanding because those gnaw marks, I'll just call them what I think they are pretty deep. So this is a rotary rasp, and I'm going to remove some material. Go ahead and hit the top of this rim as well. We'll see where we end up. Okay, it's a little uneven going around, so let me top it, which means I might have to put the bevel back on it, but it needs to be level first. Almost. Okay, it's pretty well flat all the way around. This means I don't have any low spots anymore, but now I don't have a way you can see it. I'm flat at the top, so now I'm going to have to go back with something a little bit more controlled and put that deep bevel back on it. So I'm using this manicurist drill, and it's working really well. It's just hard to look around the camera and do this. But you can see what I'm attempting to do here. Get all this smoothed out, and then we'll do some hand sanding. We'll be back. Well, the bowl's nice and flat. Got rid of the chew marks. Now it's just a lot of hand sanding. This is a little lumpy in here, so I might have to sand quite a bit. So off to that. Let's wipe it down with a little alcohol and see what it looks like so far. I know I'm getting tired of sanding. And I know that once I start to buff it, some scratches will still show up, some of the sanding marks. But I'm fairly happy with it. Feels good in hand. We got rid of all that gnawing. So let the alcohol dry, and I'm going to throw some light tan dye on it. Having to pour some of the dye out into the cap, and that one's just about empty. Take a cloth and paper towel with some alcohol on it and work on that a little bit so it won't be quite as dark. All right, we'll let that dry and then we'll buff it. And here's the finished pipe. I think it turned out really well. All those little gnawed marks, bite marks are now gone. The rim where we had all the charring is gone. And I think the pipe turned out really nice. I think it's got some really pretty grain to it. Well, thank you for sharing your time with me today and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.